Hi guys, AI lead bots and traffic and mystery. Do you need to leads and subscribe and fast to your program online? How about it? Real highly responsible human traffic and destroy to your offer and landing page with a only simple three-step system which work in any niche. AI lead bot traffic mystery is the last course online which shows you are actually how to use AI to AI to boost your creativity, lead subscribe and sales, all with a pre-designed system which you can set up in minute and then leave to work it music uploaded July 2023 and unlimited traffic source gain access to the world first united traffic and chat chatgate resource. Now let's see. So how will you have just arrival at the right place at the right time? So how does it work? It's a only three simple step system: full video, trending, and exchange chat GPT. Let's see Audio Plus and what the exactly is inside. Now see, with the power of AI, we will show you how to boot your lead and traffic. This educational will last a lifetime and give you more lead, more freedom and time with enhanced contract and creativity. Why choose this program? Why choose this program? Now let's see. Now let's see from user only. Uh, Only Emily Park speaking. Emily Parker speak. AI lead boot traffic mystery is a great way to get lead and subscribe quickly. I was able to get 100 of lead is on time. The setup by setup video work all thought highly recommended. 100% guarantee. Now let's see social media for example and so you can interest by this product. Please check my video description and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon or like comment.